This is the fireworks.
Hey.
Oh, look, Roche!
I see.
They started there and then they start doing the big one.
This is the fireworks.
Okay,
OMG, for real. Woo! Look at these fireworks, honey. Look at these fireworks, Bobby.
He didn't want to stay.
I called him. What the hell you need to call him for? Make a wish for me.
He told you that? Oh my God.
You want to see him. And your budgets are falling.
I know, girl. Let's go up. Listen to Ron Hal. Oh.
They not looking at no hotel.
They trying to get in. I'm just playing.
They over there. She went over there to go look for that boy.
That boy with the dreads, the blonde in the back. Yup. Cause she was hugging him all cute and all.
That's what they looking
Like,
for.
oh wow.
And I get in trouble.
Look at the fireworks. This man diamond at 2013 fireworks. We about to shake it. You didn't even say nothing. We have to get them.
No, they couldn't stay. We could have ran.
Oh, mama, how much are they on?
These are $5. These are $5. These are $7.
I want one, mama. I want one.